biggest problem is making your site bright, inviting, and friendly, because along with bright and inviting comes the feeling of safety. You light your site up a lot better than you typically would with conventional fixtures.
Beta lighting is the innovator in LED technology. The leg up to competitors is to drive more folks into your convenience store by attraction, by visual appearance. And the color temperature that LED illuminates to will bring people into your business. Just imagine a canopy light that never burns out. This product will save you 75% on your energy efficiency. It will eliminate your maintenance cost to relamping, which can be enormous, to a security application around your convenience store. This product line will innovate our industry.